Sage Evolution Intelligence Reporting. This video shows how you can easily distribute your Sage Intelligence report layouts within Microsoft Excel. There are 4 steps to setting up your distribution. First is the distribution settings. This defines whether you will use your SMTP Exchange Server option or your Outlook option. The next step is to manage your distribution instructions. These instructions save time by sending reports along with pertinent information automatically to the right people using your chosen electronic method. The next is to select the instructions. Once the distribution instruction has been sent, the instructions need to be linked to the report and the worksheet which the instructions must apply to need to be selected. The last is the Send Now or scheduling option. Once the distribution instructions have been selected for a report, you can execute the instructions immediately by selecting Send Now button or have the report scheduled and the distribution instructions automated once the report has run. Once you've generated your report layouts in Excel, go to the Distribution group on the BI Tools tab. Go to your distribution settings and select Use My Outlook profile or use your Exchange Server option. This can be set up by your IT department. You would use this in order to email your distribution instructions. The next step is to manage your instructions. To add a new instruction, select Add and enter a name for your new distribution instruction. On the distribution instructions, you have 3 different options of distributing your Sage Intelligence layouts. You can use them simultaneously or use individual distribution instructions. You can either email, publish to a folder, or publish to an FTP site. You need to enable email in order to email the specific report layout. As you would any other email, type in the recipient's email address, a subject for the email, and of course a body to the email. You need to give the file a name that you will be emailing, as well as supply the format that you would like it emailed. Would you like it in Excel, PDF, MHTML? Once you've selected that, select OK. If you, however, choose to publish it to a specific folder, select the File Publish option and enable the File Publish option. Browse to the folder that you'd like the report saved to and select OK. This could be a OneDrive folder, Dropbox, or a shared network folder. Again, provide a file name and select the format that you'd like it sent to this folder. Alternatively, you can have it published to an FTP. Once you've set up your instructions, select OK. The next step is to select the instructions you'd like to use. All available instructions will come up on the left. Select the instruction that you'd like to use for this specific report. You can then select individual worksheets to send to that network folder, for example, categories and income statement current versus prior. Those will be the 2 worksheets that we will distribute to that folder. If you have scheduled the report to run, you need to check the box so that these instructions are carried out when this report is scheduled. If you have not scheduled the report to run, you can simply press the Send Now option. This will carry out the distribution instruction and in this case will save the report to the Reports folder on the desktop. To retrieve that report, go to that shared folder, open the shared folder and open the Excel workbook. Here you will notice that it is only the 2 sheets as per the selection that we chose to have distributed. Income statement current versus prior and the categories layout. That brings us to the end of the first series of Sage Evolution Intelligence Reporting How-To video series. I hope you enjoyed the series.